I am reading. I read. I will read. She is writing. She wrote. She will write. They are playing. They played. They will play. He is cooking. He cooked. He will cook. We are watching. We watched. We will watch. I am running. I ran. I will run. She is dancing. She danced. She will dance. He is swimming. He swam. He will swim. They are singing. They sang. They will sing. We are studying. We studied. We will study. I am laughing. I laughed. I will laugh. She is painting. She painted. She will paint. He is fishing. He fished. He will fish. They are jumping. They jumped. They will jump. We are hiking. We hiked. We will hike. I am walking. I walked. I will walk. She is reading. She read. She will read. He is eating. He ate. He will eat. They are talking. They talked. They will talk. We are listening. We listened. We will listen. I am cleaning. I cleaned. I will clean. She is cooking. She cooked. She will cook. He is driving. He drove. He will drive. They are shopping. They shopped. They will shop. We are traveling. We traveled. We will travel. I am drawing. I drew. I will draw. She is sewing. She sewed. She will sew. He is baking. He baked. He will bake. They are skating. They skated. They will skate. We are gardening. We gardened. We will garden. I am texting. I texted. I will text. She is calling. She called. She will call. They are fishing. They fished. They will fish. We are picnicking. We picnicked. We will picnic.